I have a snag. I'm just reading. Okay, I reset the because this had password locked in, so I just thought, I'll just Google around, see if there's a site there, and found something on speaker plans, and yeah, press both during power up at factory reset. And if I go mute, unmute, yeah, now the layout's completely different to how it was before. That's freeway, so that one's not programmed, so I've got to configure it. I've got to reconfigure it. This is so it's got to go in the rack, so when it goes in the rack I'll reconfigure it to what I'm going to be applying it for. I'll take the other one out the rack here, and that's going to go in the main rack in the DCX cinema. So yeah, that's okay, it's powered up. It's obviously an older version because it's got the card slot. I think it was a version 1.6. It's a 1.6. It's okay, I can adjust all that now. Just hope it works on the actual thing itself. Other than the seller BSing, I think I'm going to have to give a little bit of a negative on there, especially with the blooming packing. That was just totally inexcusable. Otherwise, yeah, I've got it up. I'm up and running. We'll have to trade off. I'll probably look around for another power supply, so I could put back in there and actually look around for a few more other power supplies or PSUs. Yeah. Next thing is get it in the rack and then see if it actually gets input signal, and then output to actually sounding that it's outputting. Might be another gremlin, but the LCD displays look okay. Yeah, seems to function just like the other one does over there. So that's got a card slot on it. So that's an older, slightly older model. I've got other ones that don't have the card slot on there.